everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back today with another very special video. Yes, indeed, we are going to be doing a dedication pour. It is part of an activity that we have with our Facebook group, Acrylic Dutch Pour More, from the dates of August 24th through August 31st. We are doing a dedication pour to someone that we admire, we might appreciate, we want to celebrate in some form. And I am going to be using this 12 by 24 inch canvas to create a Dutch pour for my sister, Stephanie Giles, who lives in Macon, Georgia. And I'm dedicating it to her because she has been extremely supportive of our Facebook group and of me in general with my acrylic painting. So I'm just wanting to say thank you, appreciate you, and I want to celebrate you with your favorite colors today using this 12 by 24 inch canvas. And I've already laid out the Blickrylic titanium white, which is what we're going to be using as a base color today. And I will also introduce the colors that we'll be using in this painting. As always, we list those colors in the description box for each painting. So if you ever need to refer to the painting and want to know what colors we've used, just check the description box below each of the videos. So like I said, this is the Blickrylic titanium white, and it is going to be our base color. Now, Stephanie has shared with me what her favorite colors are. I don't know if she likes them in combination, but today I'm going to try that out to see if I can put her favorite colors in combination for this one painting. Okay, we have our base color down, and what we need to do now is try to blow it over the edges and sides so that we can have full coverage all the way around. Want to see, always looking for any uninvited guests. That would be anything that could interfere with the Less Than Flawless foundation. I think we have a little bit here. So you always want to have a pair of very sharp tweezers available so that you can get those uninvited guests out right away. Okay, we're looking fairly good here. I'm going to take this spatula across again. Spatula helps to really get a feel for how much paint you have on and how level that paint is. You want an even distribution of paint from top to bottom. Our paints are mixed with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and water is added to get to the desired consistency. And that includes this base paint as well as the paint that I make and I put together in our squeeze bottles. Okay, so we want to check and ensure that we have full coverage all the way around and allow for our air bubbles to be popped next. Check these sides and corners. Okay. All right. Next I have a torch that I want to share with you. You know I like the push button feature, and that's what this is here. I like to be able to have control of my torch, and I'm often asked about my torch. This is not my original. This is one that I have found on Amazon, and it's called Raves, R-A-V-S, Raves. And it is going to be used today to pop our air bubbles. Okay, and this does have the control where you can lock it here and you can choose to slide that across to get a stronger flame. Okay, so we're going to put this aside and look at where we are with our colors now to introduce those to you. So these are her favorite colors, and like I said, I don't know if she likes them all in one, but we're going to put them all in one. This is the Hooker Green that we're going to be using because she likes green. She also likes purple, and the Hooker Green is by Liquitex Basics. This is the Liquitex Basics Dioxamine Purple. I'm going to also be using the base color, which is the Blickrylic Titanium White we currently have on the base. We're also using the Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red DPU, along with the Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow DPU, and the Liquitex Basics Cadmium Orange Hue. She likes those colors, and we're going to see what we can do to put them together to create a Dutch pour that we will love. And to help balance these colors, I'm going to be using I believe I'm going to start with the Dioxamine Purple. We're going to start in this corner here. Give this a nice squeeze here and there. And we'll come off with extension here. Now with the green, because I want to make sure it shows, but I don't want it to muddy, so I'm going to put it on the outside of my purple. Just to outline it. And then I'm going to come in with some red. What I'm going to do here. I'm going to put the white on top of that. Let's get this open. We'll put some orange in here as well. And with the yellow, we really have to work to keep it going. So we'll put the yellow here to make it show up. Okay. and we will see what that does. Torch it. And we're going to try to start in this area to blow it out. Right in the center, on low, to begin with. We may have to go to high. That's really pretty. I'm thinking I may try high. Beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. You've got negative space on the inside and the outside, and these colors, you can see them all. The hint of yellow there and there, along with down here. It's really come out nicely. Well, Stephanie, you've got some beautiful colors here. I hope you like it. We're going to wipe around the outside here to bring this to rest. You always want to do that because this is moving paint, and as long as it's moving, your design will move. And the reason we put the white in between, white was not one of her listed colors as a favorite color, but you want to break up some of those dark colors so that you can avoid muddiness. And as you can see, this is not muddy. I'm going to take and tap out the corner here just to close that seam up. The same here. That one doesn't have paint. I see a few air bubbles, so we're going to gently torch. Very pretty. Okay, we'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here we are with our close-up of these multiple colors. The green, the purple, orange, yellow, red, and the white in this beautiful colored Dutch pour. Those colors blended together very nicely. Having the green on the outside really helped to keep it from getting muddy. They're very pretty. The purple and the red. There's that gorgeous orange there. A little bit of the yellow there. Hopefully it will dry with the yellow showing. There's more of it there. And some here. And we come across, there's more yellow there. On down, you can see the blend of all those pretty colors together. It's very, very nice. Very pretty. Nice, rich, gorgeous colors. Okay, there you have it. It's our 12 by 24-inch canvas Dutch pour, and dedicated to Stephanie for all of her support. All right, thank you guys for joining me. As always, we appreciate your input. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.